We have a winter storm on the way, and I am trying to get my garden prepared. I also brought my sweet peas in. I'm trying to bring her back to life. She's a little dry. I brought my collard greens in. She's doing great. She thawed out. Oh, I'm so happy. But maybe I have to put a little bit more work in with my sweet peas. My rose bush is holding on outside. I got her in a little fertilizer fish.
A few moments later.
There you go. Come on back safe. He should have let my baby warm up, but he did just go get some coffee.